Hello guys, how are you? Today our topic is photo frames, ice cream sticks, popsicles, sticks, photo frames, beautiful and colorful photo frames, simple and easy photo frames. This is you are watching photo frames, simple and easy. You can made at home. You are watching another three photo frames, simple and easy, beautiful colors. You are watching many photo frames, simple, easy. You can made at home. You are watching the wall hanging photo frame, decorate with colorful flowers. You are watching a beautiful photo frame, doll model. You are watching a photo frame. uh, you are watching many colors, different uh, decorating photo frames. You are watching simple easy photo frames you can made at home. um, you can you are watching another simple and easy photo frame you can decorate with photos. You are watching another some design of photo frames you can decorate with colors and different colors and different items. You are watching a photo frame, beautiful, colorful, easy and simple. You can watch another photo frame. You can decorate at home. You can watch three designs of photo frames made with hand. You are watching many photo frames, wall hanging, decorating. You are watching colorful photo frames. You can tag your name. You can watch vehicle photo frame, vehicle shape. You watch home, written wall hanging. You can watch some handicrafts make with the popsicles, ice cream sticks. You can watch a lamp, night lamp. You are watching the four heart shape wall hanging, beautiful, colorful. You are watching a chair making with the popsicle sticks. You are watching a bridge using with the matchsticks. You are watching a saw, colorful, decorating. You are watching a saw, match sticks. You are watching an wall hanging organizer. You are watching a ship using with the popsicle sticks, ice cream sticks.